thank you, Yumi, and thank you the invitation. Thanks for the invitation about RIBA, and it is a great honor for us to really sit together and for me stand here to share about our design concept about Chang'an Mall. Okay, so which one? The green one? Okay. This is a project located in Beijing and Shogang Capital Steel Company's campus. And actually, we worked for this project for about, I think, five years, I think. So there's three keywords for this project. The first one is old. Yeah, this factory is a really old one. Since this factory is established 1 century ago. From 1999 to right now, it's already over 100 years. And the second word is long. It's a long distance. You know, from the central point of Beijing City, the Forbidden City, from Tiananmen Square, you drove a car and to the campus. You need to cover 19 kilometers. So after 90 kilometers driving, you will reach the east door of the campus. So it's really a long distance. And the third one is big. I think this product might be one of the biggest. Can be backward. It doesn't matter. Might be one of the biggest regeneration projects right now in the world, since the whole campus is 8.63 square kilometers. It's really a huge one. If we make a comparison between the master plan about London City and New York City or San Francisco City, you will find it's really a huge one. It's almost half of the whole city. And and last year in 2022, Beijing is the Winter Olympic Games is held in the Shogang campus. We all know these pictures, and through this broadcasting, we found it's really happy for us to find the biggest and the wonderful background is our project Chang'an Mall. You can find at the corner. And here, I'd like to introduce an interesting word. You can find in the red circle, and there's one Chinese word inside. It's pronounced chai and named actually means demolish. And I think during the past 20 years, this word has happened. You can find this word all over the city in China, and it's a kind of attitude during the past 20 years in China for the urban development. But anyhow, right now, I think this attitude has changed a lot. For example, if we've just faced to an old building, maybe we can demolished will not be the only destiny for the old building. We can reuse it. And for this industrial campus, we can make urban regeneration process, and so that all of this old building will have its second life. So this is the bird's eye view for the whole Shogang campus, and also the project we worked from the very beginning, the urban design work, and after that, one step by step from the very beginning, the Winter Olympic Committee headquarters and to the National Training Center, and also the Big Air I just mentioned, and the Olympic Stadium, and so all of them. But I think today I'd like to show the U-shaped project named Chang'an Mall. Actually, this project is located at the central part of the north district of the campus. And this picture shows a clear east-west direction axis of the Beijing city. And also this kind of feeling is also the control axis of an industrial design concept. So we can find quite clear, and you can find the west mountain, and there's a Buddha tower on the top of it, and it is said 800 years ago, this temple, this tower is the beginning point of the Beijing's southwest X. So, and this city, this big campus is just located at this, between the Yongding River and also the east mountain of the city. So I think the beginning point for this design work is at the middle of 2016. And after 2 or 3 years, continually refined work, and you can find the final proportion, final layout at the red corner at the top. I think during the whole design proceeding, there's a main task for us. That is to preserve all of this industrial heritage, and no matter the building and also the construction work. And also we would like to preserve all of this industrial texture of the site. It means maybe the train should be preserved, and also the railway line should be preserved. So all of these are the pressure and for us. And so we can show one project and Chang'an Miles Commercial Center. And you can find at the bottom is the second pumping station. And this is one of the oldest building right now, still preserved in the campus. And also the fan room and the substation station. And the blue one is the new building we add up. And this is the final proposal. So from the cross section, you will find the new building and the preserved industrial heritage. Actually, they are combined to each other. So it shows from the final picture, we can find there's a good communication between the old and the new. So this picture actually is taken by our client, and Jerry In, and in 2017. At that time, you can find the pumping station. Actually, the building is a closed one. It's a negative attitude who facing to the urban public space. So I think we'd better to take off this is the wall. So after the wall is opened, and the wonderful wooden structure appears to everybody who come to the site, and it has become the most attractive urban public space. So this is the picture from the interior side. We can find the pumping station. It's a wonderful concrete column and the beam, and really attractive wooden trailer. So after the redecoration and preserved, we reinforce the column, but keep all of this wood structure. So here is not only the main entrance for the building, but also became a positive urban public space. Since all around, the people who living around, they really want to enjoy themselves during the nighttime to play here. Yes, this is really to make us happy. So this is the fan room. And we keep all of this steel structure of the beam, and so it's express a certain industrial feature and atmosphere. But you can find at the end of it a new showroom of nail, like a glass diamond insert into the factory. So it's also the relationship I just mentioned between the old and new. It's a harmony relationship. And all of this building and in our Chang'an Mall actually is reached the Chinese green building standards. And some of them are the 3-star, and the rest are the second star. And from the cross section, and you can find no matter the industrial heritage of the fan room or the new build-up, the sunshine is the most important nature element which we introduce into this building. So you can find the glass atrium. And this new built-up atrium is full of sunshine and a green area. So actually, this building, even is an indoor building, but it became the most important public meeting space and for the surrounding residents. And for the pumping station, and we use some of the zero carbon measure. For example, the saving, the energy saving system, and also the recycled material. We use a lot of recycled material here. So this is the first green store for KFC in China, and it provides a benchmark for the low carbon renewal of the industrial heritage. So this is the final result of the building after the regeneration, and we can not only find this kind of green space has been more positive for the citizens, but also this kind of activities can be extended from the outside to the indoors. And also during the whole site, we can find many industrial heritage, and we can change it to some sun garden. And during the nighttime, it is, I think, it's a wonderful festival place, similar like us right now, sitting here and enjoy ourselves. So last year, the June 18th, is the open ceremony for the Chang'an Mall. You know, last year is a tiger year for China. And tiger is a kind of sample for energy and the power and the activities. So we have a special wish for the project. During the Olympic period, it's supporting facilities. But after the Winter Olympic Games, we wish Chang'an Mall act as an engine to make this urban regeneration process and to promote this kind of process, not only for the Shougang campus, but also for Shijingshan district, and even for the entire Beijing city. This is our wish. Okay, so this is all of us want to share with you. Thank you.